Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn how to do the conversion of ratio to a percentage. We will just follow a simple steps and it will be easy for you to solve. So first I'll take one ratio which is 3:1. Okay. Now this we have to convert it into a percentage. Now you have to remember in this case you will get two percentages. Why? Because there are two numbers in this ratio. So first is we will focus on the first number. Which is the first number? It is 3. So I'll write 3 first. Whole upon. Now I have to write the sum of the two number, that is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 will give me 4. And since I have to find the percentage, I'll do multiply by 100. Now just find the percentage. 4 ones are 4. 4 25s gives you 100. Now 3 25s gives you 75. So the first percentage for this ratio will be 75. I know it is quite confusing, but just be with me, okay? Now I'll take the another number which is 1. 1 I took. Now 1 will be in the numerator. Now who will be in the denominator? Again the sum of the two numbers. So 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 gives you 4. And since I have to find the percentage, I'll do multiply by 100. Now simply solve this. 4 ones are 4, 25. 1 into 25 gives you 25%. So what will be the percentage of 3:1? It will be 75% and 25%. One thing you can remember is the denominators will be same for both. And how do you get the denominator? By adding the two numbers. Okay. Now let's take another question where it is 1:4. First step. First write the first number as it is 1. Now in the denominator it will be the sum of the two numbers 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 gives you 5. And into 100. Now solve this. 5 ones are 5. 5 20s gives you 100. And 1 into 20 gives you 20. So 20% will be your first percentage. Now let's check the percent for second number. 4 is the number. In the denominator it will be sum of the two number which is 5. And as I said, the denominators will be same. So you can just copyright the same denominator and into 100. Again 5 ones are 5. 5 20s are 4 20s are and 80 is a percent. So the two percentage of 1:4 is 20% and 80%. Now the last question where I have three numbers in the ratio 2:3:5. What you have to do? Same thing you have to do. Just the thing is you will be now looking for 3%. Okay. But the steps remain same. First write the first number. It is 2 upon. Now what will come in the denominator? The sum of all the numbers present. So here since there are three numbers, you will add all three numbers. 2 plus 3 gives you 5. 5 plus 5 gives you 10. So in the denominator it will be 10 into 100. Simple division. Sorry, simple calculation. 0, 0 cancel. 2 and 10. 2 tens are 20. You got the first percentage. Now let's take the second one. 3 is the number. In the denominator it will be 10. That is the sum of all three numbers. Into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 3 into 10 gives you 30. 30%. And now the last number which is 5. So 5 upon 10 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 5 into 10 gives you 50. So you got 50%. So what will the percent for 2:3:5? It will be 20%, 30% and 50%. That's it. So this is how you do the conversion. I hope you all understand. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.